Question number 2 of this exercise says that the slant height of a frustum of a cone is 4 centimeters and the perimeters, that is the circumference of its circular ends, are 18 centimeters and 6 centimeters. We have to find the curved surface area of the frustum. So let's draw the frustum, and this is how it looks. We know that the slant height for this is L, which equals 4 centimeters. The next thing which is given in the question is the perimeter or the circumference of the circular ends. So if we take the upper circular end, and if radius is r1 for it, 2 pi r1 will be equal to 18 centimeters. So r1 from this, as we calculate, will be equal to 9 by pi. Similarly, if we do the same thing for the lower circle or the circle at the bottom, we may write 2 pi r2, r2 being the radius of the circle at the bottom, equals 6. So r2 can be calculated as 3 by pi. Now coming back to the question, what they have asked us is to find the curved surface area of the frustum. And the formula for it is pi times r1 plus r2 times L. As we have found out the values for all of them, let's substitute them in here and we write it as pi times r1, which is 9 by pi, plus r2, which is 3 by pi, times L, which is 4. So we write it as pi times 12 by pi times 4. So pi and pi gets cancelled and 12 times 4 is 48. So 48 centimeters squared is the curved surface area for the frustum.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.